Hi guys, my name is Chris from ProApp Digital. Have you ever seen yourself in this situation whereby you register for a tax certification number for your company through the Federal Inland Revenue website, and upon submitting the TIN obtained to your bank, you got an outright rejection mail stating that the TIN, which is your tax identification number provided, is invalid or does not exist? I guess you will be surprised. How comes? Now, the reason behind this is that your TRN, which is your tax certification number, is yet to be updated on Tax Pro Max. In this video, I will teach you in a simple way how you can verify if your tax identification number has been updated on Tax Pro Max. And I will also show you how you can request for your company TIN to be updated on Tax Pro Max just in case yours has not been updated. I am Chris. I am Pro Digital. Listen please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you will get updated whenever we publish great content like this in the future. So to confirm if your TIN, which is your tax certification number, has been updated on TaxProMax, all you just have to do is for you to click on the link that I will drop at the description of this video. Then when you click on the link, it will direct you to this web page. On this web page, now there are three options here. You can either use the RC, which is your company registration number, or your PN, or your TIN, or your phone number to verify. Now in this case, I'll be using my own TIN to verify. I will paste my TIN number here, then I'll click on search. Good. When you click on search, automatically it will bring out detailed information about your tax identification number. By so doing, that simply means your record has been updated on Tax Pro Max. So that is all about how you can verify if your tax certification number has been updated on Tax Pro Max. Now, just in case you're unable to verify yours, that simply means your tax certification number is yet to be updated on Tax Pro Max. Now, to do that is very simple. All you just have to do is for you to visit the Federal Inland Revenue Service that's close to you. Then they will request for Tax Pro Max update. You'll be given a Tax Pro Max update form for you to fill. After filling the form within the space of 24 hours, your TIN will be registered. So that's all about that. Thank you.